Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. Grabe, it's been so long since I last vlogged. And eto, vlog na to, kaya ulit I'm back because this has been a requested video, a requested vlog from my friends because we're nearing 2021. Happy New Year, everybody! And because mag-New Year na, syempre we need a new planner. So recently, nagpa-poll ako sa aking IG na mga suggested nila na planner, ganyan. Kagaganda ng mga suggestions nila talaga. However, I get used sa mga planners na merong mga budget tracker, mga bucket list, eme-eme. So, nag-search kasi ako. Well, wait lang. I'm gonna get my current planner. So, at the recent kong planner, this is from Premier Note. Sobrang mura ko lang to nabili. I think wala pang 300. 299 lang ata. However, hindi sila naglabas ng planner for 2021. That's why I'm sad. Kasi, if you watch my previous vlog, back, like 2 years ago, I think, yung nag-transition ako from Starbucks to Design Your Life. And then, last year, hindi ko bet yung designs ng Design Your Life. That's why ito yung binili ko. Budget version siya ng Design Your Life. At the same time, lahat ng kailangan ko nandito. So, hindi ko to na-unbox kasi, ewan ko, ayan, may bucket list din siya. And then, ayan, meron siyang monthly. And then, meron siyang, wait lang. Meron siyang budget tracker. Ginawa kong utang tracker yung isa. So, yan. May budget tracker din siya. Which I love. And then, look. Like, ayan siya. Per week, ganyan yung spread niya. Which is, gantong-ganto lang yung kailangan ko sa buhay ko. So, kaya gustong-gusto ko to. And sobrang mura lang. Hindi naman sobrang mura, pero affordable siya. And then, meron din siyang ganyan. So, hindi mahuhulog yung mga kagamitan mo. So, ngayong year, dahil wala silang nilabas, kasi bala ko mag-purchase na lang ulit from them. Wala silang nilabas. So, nagtanong-tanong nga ako ng mga planner recommendations from IG. However, wala yung mga kailangan ko. Ang ganda nga niya kasi lang parang di siya fit sa needs ko. So, nagbalik loob ako kay Design Your Life. So, ayan. We just got a package. And actually, bukas na siya. Pero siya ng nanay ko kasi sabi niya, ano ba to? Kasi may hinihintay akong package namin and akala niya ito yun. So, ayan. Binuksan na niya ang package at ganto-ganto lang siya. Parang din dati nila, nung nag-unboxing ako, naka-box lang din siyang ganyan, craft box. And then, when you open inside, here it is. Chanel! So, yan. Design Your Life yung kinuha ko. So, it comes again with a thank you card. And then, I don't know what this is. Para siyang mga cutouts. And then, maliit na ruler. Make it happen. Let's open. Chanel! Okay, so meron siya ulit na information tab. And then, trimming after all, nakalagay, is a form of planning. So nice. And then, may mga tabs siya. Ito yung wala sa Back to Basics before. Welcome to your best year ever. Ganon din siya. Like yung before. And then, nakalagay dito yung mga laman niya, lifestyle tools, goals, wellness, travel, monthly overview pages, monthly calendar, organization tools list, last time, monthly is the key, and then social relationship tools and planner, gift list, picture log, finance tools, cash flow, expense trackers, there. And then, ito ulit yung goal for the year, and then yung plan and accountability partners, like before, dun sa Back to Basics. And then, ayan, nice. Merong like pa theme of the year, and then, ano yung parang mga lessons mo for every month. This is nice. Sa body naman, yan sa wellness. What healthy foods, blah, blah, whatever. And then, travel checklist. Oh my God, sana talaga magka-travel ngayong 2021. Kasi ayun yung sobrang sad dahil sa bucket list ko before, wala sa travel ko ang natuloy ni isa, no? Ang galing. Salamat sa'yo, COVID. And then, travel planner 1. This is nice. And then, ito yung mga lists. And then, ito yung mga monthlies. Ito, key. Sobrang nagamit ko to talaga, grabe. Yung mga passwords, event planner, ayan, events to schedule. Well, ang aya ko lang sa kanya, medyo hindi siya magandang i-open. Like, parang, pag inopen, parang masisira. Wait. Ayan o, like ito, kunwari yan. Ayan, no? Hindi siya like hiwalay na hiwalay. Unlike yung Design Your Life kasi, hindi siya pa ganito eh. Naka-ano siya, parang spring ba yung tawag doon. So, ito, ayan. Medyo mahirap lang i-open yung ibang page. Yung ibang page lang naman. Pero the rest is okay. And then, ito siya ulit. Yung cash flow mo for the whole year. It's here. And then, ito, may mga notes. Nice. Next. After the notes, cute! Okay, yeah. Sorry. Pero guys, ang cute talaga. So, for January, here you have goal statement, and then my sleep tracker ulit. Ito yung na-miss ko. And then pictures. Yung kaya nalagay ko dito. Chars. And then, this month, I will, and kunwari, may gusto kang gawin, and then check mo kung nagawa mo siya for that month. And then expenses, here you go. Ito yung monthly spread niya. This is for January. And for sure, iba-iba ulit to per month. May mga quotes siya ulit. Just like sa Back to Basics. There, that's for January. And then, for Feb, another design. Pero yung laman niya, it's the same. Here's the monthly. Ito yung weekly. And then, ito, hindi siya quotes. Like, words siya. For example, bayanihan in Filipino, it means a spirit of communal unity and cooperation. Ganon. Then for March, yan, quotes siya ulit. Anyway, so, iba-iba siya. Iba-iba lang yung design niya per month. Yes po! Okay, so yon. Kaya ako tinawag kasi may dumating na package. So, gusto mo natin ating kamay. At isprayan ko rin siya. At i-unbox ko na rin siya today. Okay? So, ayan. It's here. It's finally here. This is from Loyalty Eme. Renewal ng plan kay Globe. Okay, so nasa na ba ako? So, yun. So, same lang yung laman niya every month. It's just that every month, iba-iba yung design niya. So, scroll ko na lang na ganyan. There. See? Ayan. Iba-ibang month, iba-ibang design. So, pero same lang naman yung laman. Cute. Pang Christmas. Cute niya. And after December, just like before, may 2020 for future logs. And then, ayan, meron ulit cute na stickers, which is so cute. Ayan, stickers. And then, lastly, ayan, meron siyang parang pocket. Sorry, may pocket ulit siya, which I love. So, happy with my purchase. Sana hindi siya agad masira. At madumihan kasi, you know me guys, sobra akong maduming tao. Charing! Ito pala napansin ko, medyo maluwag tong ganito niya. So, like, pag ganyan, okay, sarado, pero di mo feel na parang sobrang kinkeep niya. Pero it's okay. Medyo maluwag lang siya. And then, ito pala, meron siyang mga ganito. Parang pang bookmark, whatever. So, there, it's so cute. I super love it. It's worth the money. This is, oh, I forgot. I bought this, nakalimutan ko rin kung magkano. Insert ko na lang dito kung magkano. I think it's around 600 plus. So, ayan. And from the shopper, yung link no Shopee nila, I'll link it down also below. Just like before. And then, ayun, kung nagtitipid kayo, hopefully by 2022, may planner na ulit ang Premier Notes. Sobra nitong compact, like compact version nito. Mas pina-chill, pina-minimalist na version nito. Ito. And may budget tracker siya, may bucket list. And yan, meron siyang pocket here and all that. So, yon. If budget-wise, itong Premier Notes. And, pero kung gusto mo yung cute, and then mas marami kang pwedeng malagay, matrack, at talagang maset mo yung goal sa buhay mo, ito siya. Kasi talagang goal setting. Itong Design Your Life. You really design your life for the whole year. So, super love it. And next natin i-unbox ay bago kong phone! New year, new phone. Who's this? Charms. So, ayan. Resibo galing sa Globe. Okay, here you go. Let's open it up. Na-alcoholan ko na siya kanina. And nakaganto siya. Fail. Isa pa. Ano talaga? Dahan-dahan daw kasi. Here you go. It's Emtrago. Hala, hindi ko ito mabubuksan ng kamay, guys. Ang hirap. Kailangan natin kumuha ng kutsilyo. Wait lang. And I'm back with a kutsilyo. So, let's open it up. Ay, mukha bukas. Pero okay na yung para safe. Chanet! So, yung sound effect mo, girls. Ayan. Protektado naman siya pag bumili kayo sa Globe. Naka-bubble wrap. So, let's open it up. Bubble wrap. Actually, dapat mag-renew kami sa SM Taytay. May problema, walang stock. Netong gusto ko. So, sa online na lang. Sa online meron. So, kung mag-renew kayo, para less na rin na exposure sa mga COVID at mga tao, online na lang. So, here you go! This is the iPhone SE 2020. So, there you go. So, wala po akong pambili ng iPhone 12. So, ito po pinakamurang iPhone sa lahat. So, here you go. Wait lang. ASMR mo lang, girl. And here it is. This is color white. Yung binili ko. Pag in-open mo siya, sis, meron ulit sticker ng iPhone, and then hello in different languages. And then, merong bukas ng SIM. And, ito na yung kanyang tawag dito, lightning. Wala na siyang yung adapter na ikakabit from here, pasaksak. Wala na siya, sis. Ganito na yung dulo niya. At ganito. So, paano ako mag-charge? Apple, ano bang ginagawa niyo? Bakit? Hindi ko alam. Sige, isi-search na lang natin kung paano siya i-charge. So, napakatagal na nito. Let's open it up. Let's wait for it to open. And I'm happy kasi maliit na siya. Like, yung previous phone ko kasi, ang laki ng iPhone 7. So, it's cute. Parang siyang iPhone 6. Ganyan. Pero yung likod ng camera niya, ganyan. Yan, hola. So, English. Set up lang naman. English. And then, Philippines. Wait lang. I-set up ko lang ang phone natin. Di talaga siya kita. Kailangan nakaganon. Set up ko lang yung phone sa aming bahay dahil malayo ako sa internet. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
There, I'm back! I just finished setting it up. And there you have it now. So, wala pa siyang kalaman-laman. Hindi ko pa tina-transfer kasi itong phone na to, ito yung old phone ko, which is yung iPhone 7. Ayan, update natin siya ng iOS 14 later. So, just to like give a differentiation from my old phone, which is iPhone 7 Plus, and ito, actually gusto ko talaga na mas maliit na phone para everywhere I can go. So, wait lang. Oo, sobrang laki ng difference ng laki niya from iPhone. Kasi malaki talaga yung iPhone 7 Plus. So, what I could like give differentiation on is, number one is camera. Isa lang yung camera niya. Unlike yung iPhone 7, ayan, maliit lang yung zoom capabilities niya. Ganyan lang. Unlike yung iPhone 7 na may times 5, or whatever. And then, wala din siyang yung camera na pang iPhone 11 na pwedeng yung magwa-wide. Then, na gano'n, yung wala siya. So, sa camera-wise, iPhone 7 Plus pa rin ako. Pero kasi actually, the reason why I got this is because I hate letting go of memories. And ayoko mag-delete. That's why I got another phone. Just for the sake of mas malaki yung memory. I got this 256 GB. Hi, this is Emily editing the vlog. So, singit ko lang kasi napansin ko yung difference na sinabi ko is isa lang. So, siguro dahil kasi nakaka-open ko lang, yun lang yung napansin ko. So, as I have explored it, ang pros naman niya, mas mabilis na siya. Of course, dahil bago siguro, compared dun sa iPhone 7 ko. Ang tinatbigad na rin yung parang ibang mga buttons. Ano pa tawag interface? I don't know. Basta sa camera, ibang mga pinipindot, updated na siya. However, downside lang na napansin ko is, medyo mabilis siyang malobat. So, nung sinerch ko siya, I have confirmed na mas mabilis or mas maigsi yung battery life ng iPhone SE 2020 compared sa iPhone 7 Plus. So, ayun. Pero another ko, dahil mas maliit siya, is mas magaan, of course. So, I love it. Para lang siyang, basta magaan siya. Parang wala ka lang hawak. Ganon. So, ayun, that's it for my unboxing. Nagulat ako kasi nag-unboxing ako ng Design Your Life, tapos biglang may dumating na isa pang i-unbox natin. So maybe, pagkasama ko sa isang video, and sana mapaiksi ko siya kasi ang dami kong sinabi. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!